answer.
Good. Why you're not answering the phone? I keep calling. You know what did I go?
Yeah.
Into the outside, the other side of the river.
They did you follow the UPS?
Yeah, and GPS, and then my cell phone GPS too.
Yeah.
I went in there. I don't know. That's why I'm calling so that you give me a direction. But
They
you
didn't answer.
no one answering. Give me
Ah.
this place. Give me creeps. I went into that. Ano to? 14 feet and 8 inches. Kasya tayo siguro dito. Kaso nga lang masikip. Teka, dandaan lang. Baka mamay sumabit pati dun sa gilid. Ito, ang bababa ng mga. Kasya naman sana tayo. Dandaan ba? Damage natin ang trailer agad. Ayan guys, good morning. Bumalik na ako dito. Itong pangatlong pick up ko talaga, it give me creep. Nasa kabilang river daw ako. Sinusunod ko tong GPS ko, yung Garmin ko. Mali yata yung napasok kung mali yung ibinigay niya. Pero may mga truck naman dito, nakita natin.
1 mile, turn left on Southeast Stark Street.
Pipick up tayo ng halaman. Kita nyo, super tight itong itong karsada, narrow road. Sala to talaga minsan tong GPS na to eh. Malapit na ako sana dito, kung kaso nga lang dinaanan ko na yun nandito na tulay guys, pero ginagawa.
Turn left on Southeast Stark
Kaya
Street.
tumuloy tayo ng medyo malayo para mag-return. Tapos binigay pa sa akin yung number. Yung binigay na number sa akin, ayaw naman sagutin para malaman ko saan ang direction. Ay, nako. Kailangan kong dumaan o bumalik sa highway siguro nito.
Turn left on Southeast Stark Street.
Eto, dito na ako dumaan kaganina, kaso nga lang sarado sila kaya ginagawa yung bridge na to eh. Wala tayong magagawa, kayo umikot ako doon. Ay, nako. Balik na lang tayo sa balik tayo sa main highway. Mali, sabi ko na nga ba, mali. Labas tayo. Subukan ko ulit tawagan. Kanina pa ako tawag sa kanila, hindi man lang nila sinasagot din eh. Ayan oh. Ganyan lang yung number nila, wala. Supply din naman itong customer na to, hindi man lang masagot ang number para makahingi tayo ng right direction. Kailangan makatawid kasi tayo guys dyan sa sa lake na yan eh, ito eh. Ano to? 14 feet and 8 inches. Kasya tayo siguro dito, kaso nga lang masikip. Teka, dandaan lang, baka mamaya sumabit pati dun sa gilid. Oh, fuck. Gabhok. Balik tayo sa main highway.
In 1/4 mile, turn right on I-84 West, then exit right.
Ito, ang bababa ng mga ano rito, ang bababa ng mga wala pang ano. Kasya naman sana tayo. Dandan ba? Mamadamage natin ang trailer agad. Di bale. Okay, okay. Ang bababa ng mga ano. Ang bababa ng mga tulay na yan.
Turn right on I-84 West, then exit right.
Hindi naman kasi lahat ng lugar pasok sa GPS eh. Kaso nga lang itong customer hindi man lang sagutin kasi
Take
Guys, medyo na ano lang ako,
257th Avenue.
na bad trip lang ako kasi nagpaikot-ikot tayo tapos ayaw sagutin para makahingi tayo ng direction talaga mismo. No trucks, over 40 feet naman yan. Dito tayo. Ano ba yan? Pinaikot-ikot tayo ng pinaikot-ikot eh. Visit naman yan.
In 2.5 miles, arrive at 3199 South.
Inaabot tayo ng kung ilang yung napakalapit, inaabot talaga tayo ng ano mga isang oras yata yung pinapagdadrive ko yun. Mula dun sa huling pinikapan ko, ito kasi pangatlo na to eh. Naka-pick up na ako kapon ng isa, kaninang umaga dalawa, ito yung pangatlo. Basta importante wala akong matamang mga mabababang mga post, mga ano ng kuryente, walang mababang bridge para hindi tayo maka-aksidente katulad nito. Puta. Narrow road. Oh, tangin na, nakakatakot naman ito. Pero kasya pa rin siguro ang truck dito, 53 feet trailer. Kainin na natin lahat yung mga ano dyan, space. Ayan oh. May mga truck dito, maliliit nga na truck nga lang ang mayroon dito, maliliit na truck. Lapit na tayo, 2 milyahe na lang. May parang sa Baguio, yung ganyan no, maliliit na karsada, liko-liko, akyat, abante, stop. Holy shit, ano na naman ito? Okay, ano ba to? Ay, akala ko tulay. Hindi tayo, may mga tulay na hindi pwede truck eh, baka mamay biglang bumaksak eh. Bigla tayong bumaksak, nako, patay na. Hindi na tayo nakarating. Gumastos na naman tayo para sa ano. Hindi talaga pwede ang 53 feet trailer. Kainin ko talaga dito sa side na to para hindi ako sumabit dito. Halaman yung pipikapin natin. Ang halaman na yan sa Ilocano mas masitas.
mile, arrive at 3199 Southeast 302nd Avenue on the right.
Ano, may mga truck din pala pumapasok din dito, ano. 53 feet trailer to, siguro. Yun, mahaba nga. Oh, may mga 53 feet trailer dito, may mga trailer sila, oh. Ngayon, ang problema, saan ka? Tubig naman yan. Ito yata, dito yata yun. Ayun, may nagpipick up din. Ito pala.
Arriving at 3199 Southeast 302nd Avenue on the right.
Mag-check-in muna tayo doon, guys. Dito muna tayo. Ay, nako. Yan, mga halaman, yung mga ano natin, guys. Pipikapin natin mga halaman. Ayun. Tanungin ko kung saan door.
sir.
Good. Why you're not answering the phone? I keep calling. You know what did I go?
Yeah?
Into the outside, the other side of the river.
They did you follow the UPS?
Yeah, and GPS, and then my cell phone GPS too.
Yeah.
I went in there. I don't know. That's why I'm calling so that you give me a direction. But
They
you
didn't answer?
no one answering. Give me
Uh.
this place. Give me creeps. I went into the other side. Oh my God.
Which one you picking up?
Going to Canada.
Canada, so that's Canada?
Come. I will show you the.
Okay.
I will show you the.
On to Canada, so oh yeah. You got a small little partial. Let's take a look.
Yeah. Next time you gonna answer your phone, man, so that the people.
The office, they're probably busy.
Office probably. I've been keep
Yeah.
calling since last night too. Okay, so this is your yeah, there, right there. Right there.
Please need to know the
So this place give me creeps. I went into the other side.
Yeah, you can go to the other.
No, I mean into the other side of the lake.
Oh,
you got
River.
This is the address from here, but we need to know which order you picking up.
Okay, going to the delivery is right there. At the very bottom.
Harris.
Yes, okay, that's
Yeah.
okay.
Okay, this is Harris.
Good.
That's Grandview.
Oh, Grandview?
Yeah, Grandview.
Okay.
Yep, that's
Well,
good.
then,
Okay, Harris. So you're
Okay.
going Canada.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. Sounds good.
Park
Yeah.
on the other side of that trailer and
That-
we'll
that-
load you up.
Okay, I will open now.
Yeah, that
Next time you open, you answer it.
Yep.
Okay.
We will.
Okay. Wala, pagalitan ko kayo. Wala. Pagalitan ko nga kayo. Wala stick. Pinaikot-ikot ako ng GPS ko na. Ang lakay tracker. This one here? Here or the other side? The other side? Okay. Bangan ko na lang patapos. Pagkatapos nito, diretso na tayo ng Canada, guys. Hello? Halaman. Ay, nako. Ay, ang problema naman natin kung paano natin kakanain doon kasi mayroong trailer doon. Ikot muna tayo, U-turn. Oh, sa kabila. Maluwang. Ito nga, mukhang mamaya malaglag pa tayo rito. Napakalapit na, oh. Malaglag tayo rin, wala na. Hindi na tayo makakaalis dyan. Delikado. Yun o, yun o. Utang na, pag yan tayo nalaglag, wala. Saan lapit-lapit ko na pala doon. Babahin ko nga. Baka mami, masobrang ko. Malaglag ako sa kabila eh. Wala yun. Itong gulong ko. Kaya niya, kaya. Ilahin ko pa papunta ron. Kunti lang. I-forward muna natin. Kunting-kunti lang. Mali ang approach ko. Mali ang approach ko. Yun. Mali ang approach ko kaya. Yan. Ayos na yan. Babay natin. That's good?
Yeah.
Perfect?
Yeah, perfect. It's ¿Cuántas palas nomás?
Perfecto, perfecto.
It's a couple palas only.
Okay, I'm just gonna wait you in there.
We'll load you up and then you'll be in your way.
Yes, please. Because I've been going in there, going here, anywhere. All right. Okay, wait.
Sounds good.
Okay, I will wait.
Okay, when we're done.
Yeah.
Si te portas bien, güey, te voy a comprar un pantalón.
Puro Mexicano. Mababait naman ang mga Mexicano, guys eh. Hi!
Hi, it was that fast.
Is it done?
Yeah. It's only 66 pieces, so I just need a signature right there.
Yeah, but the problem is I went all over the place in there because my Garmin GPS is put me in there. I'm trying to call.
Don't go that way.
Yeah, it's my
I was
first
in the office. I don't know.
Yeah, I was trying to call. It's more been easier for me to get in here if I get the direction because it's the first time.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's hard for first time.
Yeah, I believe it.
Yeah, that's what I went in.
Go that way.
Yeah, I went in there and then I text my dispatch. I said to me, you're in the other side of the lake. That's why. And
Yeah.
then low clearances.
Where are you going next?
Going to Canada now. Yeah.
You know who it is?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Okay, you know where to go. So, how did you go?
So when I get out here, right here,
Go that
okay.
way.
That's better way.
Make sure.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's better.
Don't
That-
go
that's
that
kinda
way.
ugly down there.
Yeah, well, okay. Yeah, that's the one that I come from, right? Okay. So
Yeah.
which one? So I can leave now because you've been
Need a
busy.
signature right here.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.
Yeah. And that's it. Just the signature.
Yep. I'll have all. Hold on 1 second. I'll give you all your paperwork.
Yeah.
Okay. So
All right.
I can get this in. This is for you. It has extra invoices. This is for customs.
Custom if they ask
Yep,
for
there's
it.
the
Okay.
Fidos,
Yeah.
paperwork. Your broker should have all the paperwork.
Okay. So
So
those.
your We're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm leaving just probably the car. I'm just gonna fix up my thing here because I trying to eat, but I need to leave now. But you know it's shaking. I don't want those things to fall down.
Right.
Give me at least 2 minutes.
Thank you.
Okay. Ayan guys. Alis na tayo, naloadan na tayo. Alis lang itong sasakyan nila, alisin lang nila tapos alis na tayo. So paano guys? Kita-kita tayo sa susunod na video vlog. Ayan. Thank you for watching. Peace up. Bye.
Lakai Tracker.